Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm Brian with the Donatucci Branch Library, and today is Tutorial Thursday.
Tutorial Thursdays.
So, if you're watching this and you don't have a library card and you wanted to get one, go watch my other video that we just uploaded, and it's how to make a virtual card, okay? And that's something that you can do from your computer. And then once you do that, you'll be able to follow this video if you want to watch some movies for free. Okay, so I know not everybody has Netflix or Hulu or whatever, so you can't watch. Or maybe you do have Netflix and Hulu and you're just getting tired of the stuff that's on there. You want to try something new. Well, if you go to the Free Library's website, okay, you'll see there's a little search bar up here where you can hit find. So if you type in Kanopy with a K, Kanopy, but then see where it says search catalog or website, you want to click the one that says website, okay, and then hit search. And you'll see some results here, but believe it or not, it's not the first result. That's a blog, okay? So you want to go to this one where it says databases. Just click on that, and then scroll down, and you'll see there's stuff similar to Kanopy, but we're actually just going to Kanopy right now. So click on the Kanopy one. Alright, and then you want to hit add library card, okay? And then I have my virtual card number that I just made with my last video, okay? This is why I had to make the virtual card. And then your PIN number. Okay, now I was going to ask for your name and to create an account and stuff. Okay, and then you got to create a password. Okay. Alright, now you see, you can only watch 4 films per month, but that's better than 0 films per month, right? So at least it's something, and it's free, you know. So you just click here, you click watch now. You see, this isn't the same as Netflix. They're not going to have all like the popular movies and the popular shows that you may be used to watching, but it's different stuff that they have, you know, stuff that you wouldn't see on there. A lot of documentaries and a lot of social issue films and stuff like that. Like you can see social and systematic injustice, the LGBTQ history, you know, and you will find some. You might find 1 or 2 popular movies in there that you want to see, but a lot of them are just like there's documentaries and stuff. So if you click here, browse, you can click if you want to see a movie, or if you want to see a documentary, or if you're looking for something educational, or if you're looking for something on health, right? Now, I like documentaries, so I'm going to click documentaries, okay, just to see, you know, there's a lot of different interesting things. I remember I used this before to watch a really good documentary. I believe it was Letter to Zachary or something like that. Let's see. Dear Zachary, that's what it was. Now, if you want to watch this, I want to make sure this is the right one. Shortly after, yes, this is the right movie that I watched. Me and my wife watched this documentary, and warning you now, it's very sad. Okay, so if you don't like sad stuff, you get too emotional, don't watch it. But otherwise, check this out. But this is just one example. There's a lot of stuff on here, and so feel free to browse around. And remember, you only get 4 per month though, so kind of space it out a little bit, okay? And you know, so it's a little different than Netflix and Hulu. You know, you break out of that little rut, or if you don't have that at all, it'll be good to watch something, right? So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy whatever you choose to watch, and I will see you all next time. So bye.